Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up in comment below section. For my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for always there with me, for all the support. I always appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. So guys, into this video, I finally have the Zoomoni insert bag for my Picotin 18, and also I'm gonna share what's fit before and after the Zoomoni. So here it is, guys. Keep on watching. So guys, this is the items that I got from Zoomoni. Finally, it took like almost a month. Actually, it says 3 to 4 weeks. I ordered this, I think it was end of December. Finally, I got it today. It's actually just only 3 weeks. They are fast, even though it is 3 to 4 weeks. But I finally bought a Zoomoni insert bag for my Picotin 18, and like I mentioned, I'm gonna share you guys what it looks like before and after, the without or with the Zoomoni insert bag. And also I'm gonna big shout out to Madam MM Style Icon because of her code. I use her code for this Zoomoni bag, insert bag. It has a 20%. The code is Madam MM20. So guys, if you are looking for a code, I don't think, maybe it's still code though, I'm not sure, but just try on, guys. Just apply the code Madam MM20, and there you go. I got 20% off. But even though the shipping is not free, but still, at least I still have a discount 20% for this item. So guys, the color I pick is, so they put as well this another bubble wrap or plastic. So it comes with this. There you go, guys. Zoomoni. And like I said, I got this 3 weeks exact, and I picked the red because the other handle of my bag is red. Actually, this is Swift leather around here. That's why this one is a different price from regular Picotin 18 size. And I saw this on the website, that there was this one on the website. I look is the Morris or Clements leather, and the Swift handle for this red one. So there you go, guys. So that's why I picked the red, so at least it matched the part of the handle. So give you this, and of course the letter from them. It's really cute. Thank you. It says thank you. That's beautiful, nice though. So let's set aside for this now. So for my review or first impression for this Zoomoni bag organizer, it's so nice. It's the material, it's really nice. For the price, I don't mind. And it comes with its small as well. Oh, this is so cute. So yeah, I also saw Zoomoni from Life of MC. The first time I actually saw a Zoomoni is from her when she's doing unboxing from for her Capucine BB, I think. So yeah, the color is very nice color, bright and very good material, like I said. So I'm gonna start, guys, with a, let me put this aside because my table is here, it's too small. So I'm gonna put first the without the Zoomoni, the organizer. So guys, this is the item that I'm gonna put for all the in a Zoomoni without the bag insert. So let's move this. Before, without the Zoomoni, guys, I always use this mini pochette, and I put all my stuff in here, like perfume, lip gloss, hand sanitizer, and for this one is a lipstick, limited edition from Hermes, and another lipstick and a brush. So I just put all of this one in here, guys, because this one has no zipper. So as you can see, it was so open. By the way, guys, my bag, the stamp of my bag is Y. So you can find the stamp, by the way, is on the front where is the key is. It's around this line over here. I don't know if you can see, guys. Hold on, guys. Let's see. So it's right here. So where is the key that you can put on? That's the, you can find the stamp. Mine, it's stamp Y. I don't know if you can see, guys. It's very, very hard to see the numbers, the code. So yeah, that's it. And now I'm gonna show you. Hold on, guys, because I dropped my... So like I said, I just leave my stuff like this put in here. Let's see, because I don't want to ruin my mini pochette, because... So that... Maybe I should open the... Guys, this is my petite itch that I got for free, and this is the one I made. If you haven't seen the one I made, is I leave the description below. So I'm gonna open it, so at least it's easy for me to put all the stuff. So I'm open now. So let's go. Let me up a little bit. So there you go. And of course my Chanel case. And this one I put my my other lip gloss in here, and those Chanel blotting pad put over here, and of course my powder. And this one, actually this pouch is from the key, from the keys right here. I just put in there instead. So what I'm using for this is I put my AirPad, and of course my mask, my 4-key holder. I get a lot of a... I'm gonna put what is how many fit also as well for this. My Gucci card my wallet, and my Chanel card holder, and of course my Bastia coin purse. Guys, this bag is fit a lot of stuff. I mean, look at that. See that, guys? It's packed everything you need in there. It's actually very organized. That's why if I use this one, I rather put a lot of stuff in here to stack up, because one time I used this and I didn't use much, and it's just like this. It's slouchy and I don't like it. So the last time, at second time I used, even though it's quite heavy, but I don't mind. So yeah, it's put a lot of stuff. And even though you can protect that, but I have, you know, other ways of strap as well that you protect your items. Or you can put like a scarf to cover your stuff. So this is what it looks like, guys. It's quite heavy, but I don't mind, like I said. So this is what it looks like for without a organizer. So it's not bad actually, because I stuck it up and it's quite heavy. So let's remove all the stuff and put the other, use the bag organizer for this. So let's use this bag organizer in here. I don't know which way. I think you can put other way. But see, with a bag organizer already, that it all like sturdy looking and it looks nice. So let's put on these items. I want to see as well, guys, if all my items will be fit in here, if they have Zoomoni. So that. Oh, it's actually fit everything. Let's see. Card. Put this one here. For this, find a space that where I can put that. Especially coins, it's really need for, especially to pay the parking. So this is what it looks like now, guys. It's everything I have before without the organizer. It fits as well, which is good. But for me, I think with or without the bag organizer, as long as I stack up the items, it will be nice. Is this one, it's more sturdy. So there you go, guys. That's what it looks like on without the with the organizer. It's actually quite heavy, guys. So since I have bag organizer, I will leave probably some of it, like that one, this, that. So most of the items in here is I don't need 3 of this, because I already have bag organizer, and I also carry this one anyway. Can put all cards and cash. So it's more quite light now. So I will remove this again, guys. So I will show you what when I'm talking about that it looks so not looking without the bag organizer. So let me remove this. I don't know what is that one over here. So okay, I just put that one, this, and this too. So there you go. That's all what I removed, some of that item that I show it out. So see, this is what I'm talking about, that it doesn't, if I put into my like I'm using like a strap for this, it's like the bag, it was like this. It looks so weird. That's why I'd like to stack it up so it's more like sturdy looking. But for less item, it looks so weird. So, but it's quite heavy if you stack up some items, guys. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's it for my what fits of Zoomoni, and with or without it. So, and also unboxing for the Zoomoni bag organizer. Again, thank you guys so much for your support. If you like this kind of video, please give me a big thumbs up, and let me know if you have any suggestions for my next video. So thank you again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.